Welcome to episode 2 of Clean Air and Containment. I'm your host, Matt Stubbs, International Product Manager for Clean Air and Containment at Higher Biomedical. So in episode 2, we're going to talk some more about the Higher aseptic compounding processing isolator. And we're going to talk about some of the standard configurations and some of the options that are available to configure to the user needs. So as standard, this unit, as it's configured, has got an entrance system, entrance hatch. It's then got a 4-glove main processing chamber, and this particular unit doesn't have an exit solution. So exit solutions are available, either traditionally an exit hatch or some sort of rapid transfer port. So fully customizable, fully configurable to the client's specific URS requirements. You can see the design, the finish and the quality is very robust, which is what you and we've come to expect from Higher Biomedical. Again, configuration-wise, you could operate it as a 2-glove. We can provide a 4-glove design. And then in terms of sort of typical applications or typical scenarios, this particular unit is set up for what I'd call sort of aseptic processing or compounding of, say, small batch pharmaceuticals. It can also be configured for cell and gene therapy applications. So even strange customizations like adding centrifuges or CO2 incubators. And then, of course, if we integrate a sterility test pump, we'd then be talking about a sterility test isolator. So one of the other main features that I really like about this product is, as standard, we are able to reconfigure the operating pressure of the isolator from negative pressure to positive pressure or back again, depending on the client's application. And of course, if things change over time, so the product mix that they're making, or perhaps if it's a CMO or CMDO customer, and they have a new product that's hazardous or non-hazardous with the right level of revalidation work, this unit, as standard, can be reconfigured to either positive or negative or back again, and that doesn't require any changing of fans or filters or shut-off dampers or valves. So I think that's a real benefit to give sort of complete flexibility to the customers. So the other thing that's standard across the range, whichever configuration, is a 16-inch touchscreen human-machine interface with a full PLC system. And then from a software point of view, all the sort of standard things you'd expect from a GMP suitable solution. So audit trail, data acquisition, you've got standard mapping of critical conditions, so temperature, humidity, pressure. That all gets graphed nicely over time, so you can query particular points in a production run, and of course it's available to be downloaded or archived on servers for full compliance, and of course, as you know, the things you'd expect, like a full list of alarms and logs. So that's it for today's episode. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you all soon.